When officers arrived, they contacted Watkins as he was seated on a stairway leading to the second-floor apartment. Officers asked Watkins to walk down the stairs and speak with them, but he ignored their commands and began walking back up the stairs away from the officers. Officers followed Watkins up the stairs and continued to ask him to stop and not walk away. As Watkins reached the top of the stairs, officers observed he was in possession of a handgun in his right hand. Officers directed Watkins to get on the ground and drop the handgun. Watkins turned towards the officers and pointed the handgun directly at them. Officer Odell then used his service weapon, striking Watkins in the upper torso, and causing Watkins immediately to fall to the ground, still holding the handgun in his right hand. The security footage you're watching has no audio. You will be hearing the live phone call, and after that you will observe Officer Odell's body cam.
Police and fire emergency.
Yeah, it's somebody at my door and he won't leave and he got a gun in his hand.
He got a gun in his hand. Okay, what's your address?
Loveridge Road.
20 Loveridge Road?
Loveridge Road.
I apologize. Okay, is that a house or an apartment?
The apartment. He's banging on my door.
Okay, what apartment number?
Tripping.
Okay, let me get somebody started that way, okay, before I get into some more questions here. Do you know who this person is?
Yeah, he's my child's father and he won't leave.
Okay.
911, what is the address of your emergency?
Hi. I'm sorry. I'm at home and there's somebody trying to kick in the door. I live in an apartment complex.
Hey, what's your address?
Get on the fucking ground right now. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! I got a double feed, double feed! No, stop, hey, stop. Stop. I gotta let you go. On the fucking ground right now. Hey! Drop the gun! Hey, drop the gun! I got a double feed! Hey, double feed! Hey, he's still got the gun pointed at us! He's still got the gun pointed at us!
Stand by.
Alright, moving forward on me. Stand by. When you take Cardona, you're going to pin that upper torso with the shield. You're going to move in, and I'll go hands. See if we can get it, alright? Slow. You got rifle? Yep. Hold on. Stand by. Stop. I don't want an ND. I don't want an ND. Hold up.
I can move the arm a little bit.
No one move.
Good. Got it. Good.
Hold on, I got it. Let go.
Retrieve.
I got left hand.
Okay, left.
I got left hand. We need someone to get right. Ready? You're all in.